Do you want to learn the second most spoken language in the entire world with 100% authenticity? Taking you from this, una cerveza, por favor, to this, una cerveza, por favor. ¿Cómo no, señor? Hola, ¿qué tal? Mi nombre es Gabriel. My name is Gabriel. And I've created a groundbreaking learning technique that gets right to the essence of what makes the Spanish language sound and feel so beautiful. There's a reason why it's called the language of love. In this fun and easy to understand step-by-step course, we will get right to the micro muscles of the mouth and tongue, ensuring that you are producing a 100% authentic sound right off the bat, saving you years of tiresome memorization or lengthy explanations and boring lectures. In this course, you will learn useful word phrases and sentence structures that you can implement right away without sounding like a tourist. We will also be focusing on the rhythm of the Spanish language. Now, this is something that a lot of Spanish teachers miss. You can't have an authentic Spanish sound without the rhythm. Now, don't worry, you don't need to be a champion salsa dancer or have a master in linguistics to do this. This course is designed for anyone who is looking to learn the language of love fast and authentically. Our goal is to make you sound like a native. Let's take this Spanish-speaking journey together. Adelante!